Hi, welcome to a new week. This week we're going to talk about negatives. If you remember, we were talking about the past. And let's begin. Here we have some negatives which obviously express the opposite meaning of what we said. For example, in affirmative or positive way, we're going to say I am here. And the negative is very easy to form. All we have to do is to add the word not. I am not here. You can also use some contractions. We're going to see that in a moment. Here we have some other negatives in past. For example, was not, the contraction would be wasn't. And were not, the contraction is weren't. Here are some examples. I was at the gym, I wasn't at the gym. You were at the gym, you weren't at the gym. Be careful with pronunciation. Remember that it is more common in spoken speech to use the contractions, not in writing. So we're going to use I was at the gym, and the negative would be I wasn't at the gym. Let's move on. Here are some other examples. She was happy, and the negative would be she wasn't happy. Something important here is that you notice if you need to use was or were. If remember, for I, he, she, it, you're going to use was. And for we, you, they, you're going to use were. So we have, for example, we were happy, and the negative would be we weren't happy. Now it's your turn. Try to form the sentences as you see this video. He was at home, and the negative, what would it be? He wasn't at home. Okay? Now remember, this is a contraction. You can say he wasn't at home or he was not at home. Let's try another one. They were ill, and the negative version would be you're right. They weren't ill, or they were not ill. Okay, then we have another one. You were busy, and the negative, you need to try. Remember, we have two options. It would be you weren't busy. You weren't or you were not busy. You can use both. Only remember, when we speak, we use contractions. Okay, that's it for this video. Check it as many times as you need and practice at home. Try to make your own sentences in past. See you.